Number 21. Do the washing. It meaning to wash clothes or linens.
I have to do the washing this afternoon. I have to do the washing this afternoon. Can you do the washing while I'm out? Can you do the washing while I'm out? She does the washing every weekend. She does the washing every weekend.
Number 22. Do research. It means to study a subject in detail to find new information.
You must do research for your essay. You must do research for your essay. He's doing research on renewable energy. He's doing research on renewable energy. They did research before buying the car. They did research before buying the car.
Number 23. Do the shopping. It means to buy things you need, usually groceries.
I'll do the shopping for our groceries. I'll do the shopping for our groceries. Can you do the shopping this evening? Can you do the shopping this evening? She did the shopping for the entire week. She did the shopping for the entire week.
Number 24. Do laundry. It means to wash the clothes.
Tomorrow is my day to do laundry. Tomorrow is my day to do laundry. He's doing laundry before going out tonight. He's doing laundry before going out tonight. She did laundry early in the morning. She did laundry early in the morning.
Number 25. Do homework. It means to complete school assignments.
The children do homework after school. The children do homework after school. She's doing homework for math class. She's doing homework for math class. I have to do homework before TV. I have to do homework before TV.